Apple resellers are all over TikTok and YouTube right now, showing off the ultimate money spread and fat stacks over some crisp boxes of AirPods and Air Maxes. They claim to be doing the reselling method to get these massive wads of cash and call you broke in every language, then just leave you there. This is one of the biggest opportunities you guys could take advantage of right now, but most of them are never going to explain what this reselling method actually is, how to do it, or how to make consistent profit. You leave the video as broke as you started, but put down those ramen noodles and let's get right into it, because I'm dropping all the gems you need to know right here in this video. So if you guys clicked on this video, most of you probably already know about AirPod reselling, but most people don't even consider reselling AirPod Maxes. AirPod Maxes should be the wave right now with potential for good returns, but a lot of people avoid it because it's a slightly higher risk and capital investment than AirPods. I get this can seem a little scary, but if you saw success from AirPods, I definitely recommend giving the Maxes a shot. The listing for AirPod Maxes isn't even much different from regular AirPods. Yes, they're advertised as silicone cases, but this is strictly for copyright reasons. These look and perform exactly like AirPods. Most people that buy them are pretty surprised by the quality. The same reason you feel skeptical about it is the same reason this can become very lucrative. People shy away from reselling these because it takes more capital and skill to pull off, which means the barrier to entry is higher, which means less competition, and if you do it right, more money for you. Now, to lessen that risk, you can use the money from AirPod reselling as your startup capital, but that's only step one. Let's get into the rest. A lot of people would charge for this link in a Discord or behind a paywall, but it's in my description and in the pinned comment below for completely free. It's going to bring you to this listing with a bunch of colors to choose from. Black and white might be the most popular colors, but since less people sell the other variety, it's good to have a couple of those on deck too. People who want the colored version will have to come to you for it, and that's again more money in your pocket. But yeah guys, the best vendor is in the pinned comment, so you don't have to spend any money trying to figure out what's the best vendor for the AirPod Maxes. These are pretty much one-to-one. Another part of getting max profit out of this is bulk orders, so you can take advantage of the deals. You can get the cost down to $75 or even $65. Also keep in mind you will have to wait for shipping too, so it's a good idea to buy in bulk so you can hit the ground without slowing down your momentum. Ordering 4 of them gives you an extra $10 in your pocket each. The seller also offers free shipping, which is great. The reviews are really good too, which is important because AirPod Maxes are way harder to make one of one. And I've seen some pretty trash ones from a lot of other sellers. The reviews don't talk about the protective silicone cases at all, surprisingly. They mostly just rave about the noise cancellation, sound quality, and how they are identical to the real ones. The AirPod Max box looks and feels super clean, just like the original. The box is shrink wrapped, and the AirPod Maxes don't come with the nasty green peel at the back. Everything about the AirPod Maxes looks sleek with that premium feel to it. The cushioning and the back is pretty clean too, and the AirPod Maxes come with all the expected buttons and charging ports. The AirPods can also adjust if you got that 5 head or the miniature cranium, and the cushioning is magnetic, which makes it feel super secure. Once the AirPods are on, you can connect them to your Bluetooth. They even come up as AirPod Maxes when they're connected. The noise cancellation will be turned off. So you have the option to turn on noise cancellation and transparency. You can also adjust the volume by turning the digital crown at the top. The sound quality is good, as clean as you would expect. The next question is, where exactly do we sell these so we can start making money? Platforms like Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, Kijiji, and Mercury are great for reselling. At that point, it just really comes down to preference, so look into which one fits you best for your location. Make sure to let the buyers know that these are not originals, because it's the right and ethical thing to do. A good price to sell your one-of-one AirPods would be anywhere from $200 to $300 depending on where you live. You can expect anywhere from $100 to $200 in profit from each unit you sell. You can get even more if you offer discounts for multi-product orders, so you can move product at 2 times the speed for one transaction. Remember, reselling is a cash flow numbers game, so yeah. And when you do get your AirPod Maxes, make sure to carefully inspect them as well as the packing, so you know it's the quality you expect. Packaging is critical to this, so keep them in the original undamaged box. Take high quality photos to post, because again, appearance is everything for the first part of the sale. Make detailed descriptions too, highlight the features your customers would care about, and try to leave out anything they wouldn't. Things like noise cancellation, transparency mode, overall sound quality, the lower price advantage, etc., and complete honesty about it being a high quality replica. But guys, I have made a lot of bread by not telling them it is a replica, and most of the time they will never care or figure it out. So it's up to you what you want to do. I'm just putting that for, like, you know, YouTube terms of service and to comply with the platform. But in my opinion, you don't even have to tell them it's a replica. As for titles, you want them to be as clear and attractive as possible. For example, high quality AirPod Max replica with noise cancellation and transparency mode versus just putting like AirPod Max. Places like Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp give local pickup options, which could save some money on shipping and get you your money faster, but please only meet in public places with safety precautions. If you do have to ship, make sure to secure the package so they don't get damaged by the shipping companies. You can also post in local buy/sell groups, share on social media, and even create a dedicated Instagram or TikTok page for your reselling business to help you get more sales. If you're going to take this seriously, everyone has to know this is what you do. You have to become the reselling guy. Be on the ball when it comes to responding to DMs and messages too, so you never miss a potential sale. You have to build up that reputation so that leads to trust, repeat customers, and word of mouth, and you do that by consistently having a good service for your customers. Finally, keep track of your inventory, sales, and profits. Using a simple spreadsheet can help you manage your business, especially when it comes to taxes. Write down the costs, selling price, platform fees, and shipping costs to calculate your net profit. This can give you a better idea of what you're really making and how to make more. If this was helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below if you guys have any questions. But guys, do not miss out, because in my opinion, AirPod Max reselling is way like a crazy return on investment. Like I said, you cop them for like $60 to $70 and you sell them for $200 a pop, so you can definitely make a lot. And yeah, you guys got to check it out. Like I said, the vendor is in the pinned comment, and yeah, I'm not charging you guys for it, so enjoy, go make that money, guys. If you have any questions, let me know down below.